Welcome back. This is our second lesson on working with multi-body parts. In this lesson, we're going to be learning different methods for creating multi-body parts. Let's begin with a sketch. It'll be on the front plane. Right-click on the front plane, Insert Sketch. Now activate the Rectangle tool. I'll drop a rectangle and a circle in my graphic area. Exit the sketch. Extruded boss. Let's make it in both directions. Since this is my first solid, I don't have the option to select Merge Result here. Let's click OK. Now we've got a single extrude in our Feature Manager design tree, and in the Solid Bodies folder, we've got two solids, Boss Extrude 1 and Boss Extrude 2. Let's insert another sketch on the front plane. Right-click, Insert Sketch. Rectangle tool. Drop it about here, exit the sketch. Extruded boss. Notice I do have the option to merge results now. I'll leave it selected and I'll click OK. However, my results aren't merged, and of course that's because the new solid bodies we created were disjoined from each other. Even though the Merge Result option was selected, SOLIDWORKS still created a third solid body. Let's take a look at another method. Right-click on this face, Insert Sketch. Let's drop a sketch about here. Exit, Extrude. Let's leave Merge Result checked. Click OK. Now Extrude 3 and 2 merged and became a single solid body. Let's right-click on this face, Insert Sketch. Let's place a rectangle about here and exit the sketch. Now activate the Extruded Cut tool. End condition through all. And click OK. SOLIDWORKS asks me which bodies to keep. I'm going to select all bodies and click OK. And now the cylindrical body has become two separate solid bodies. Basically, if the solid bodies are disjoined, SOLIDWORKS will create separate solids. On the other hand, if features have common geometry, as we saw in our last two examples, we have the option to merge the solid bodies or to create separate solids. Let's right-click on the Solid Bodies folder and show Feature History. Here we can tell how these bodies were created. And let's edit Boss Extrude 3. We'll right-click, Edit Feature. Let's uncheck Merge Result and OK. Now we see that the solid body, Boss Extrude 3, was created by a single feature, the Boss Extrude 3. Let's take a look at one more method of creating multi-body parts. Let's right-click on this face and insert a sketch. Drop a rectangle about here and exit the sketch. Insert, Features, Split. Under Trim Tools, Sketch 5 is already pre-selected. I'll also select the front plane and then select Cut Part. Now we've got the option to create up to 10 solid bodies. We can do so by checking here, or we can just select the body in the graphic area. Let's take a look at some of the options near the bottom of the Property Manager. Consume cut bodies. Let's leave this unchecked, and let's click OK. And let's hide Sketch 5. Right-click on it, Hide. Now we've got a total of 7 separate solid bodies. Let's right-click on the split one, Edit Feature, and let's check Consume Cut Bodies. OK. Now the two bodies we selected were cut out. We end up with a total of 5 solid bodies instead. And this concludes our second lesson about multi-body parts.